The 2017 Lexus NX Hybrid, protected with a Sterling XL, which is a Category 2 insurance approved immobiliser system. This customer's insurance company's asking for it. So if a thief got your key, got into the headlight and went to steal the vehicle, nothing's going to happen. So what the customer's got to do, they've got these tags. So pop this in a specific location in the vehicle so it can be read. Just get in the car and start it. Vehicle fires up and they can drive it. No need to do anything else. Just pop your keys in a specific location, unique on the vehicle, and the car's going to fire up. As you see, we've got a solid light up here. After 30 seconds, this is going to go out and confirm your vehicle is now secure, and it's going to look for these tags before it's going to start again. Once again, this is a Category 2 insurance approved immobiliser on a 2017 Lexus NX Hybrid. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. As you see, the light's now gone out. If we try and start it with the key in our hand, it's just not going to start up. So pop the keys in a specific location and we can start the car. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.